Most people dream of making money online, but they get stuck because they don't know where to start. They waste months jumping from one idea to another, making zero progress. If you want a clear step by step roadmap to start an online business and actually succeed, this video is for you. Before you do anything, you need to decide how you will make money online. There are three proven models that are based in 2025. Number one, selling digital products. This includes online courses, ebook, templates, or membership. You create something once and selling it over and over, making it highly scalable. Number two, service based business. If you have a skill like video editing, copywriting, social media management, you can start freelancing and get paid for your expertise. Number three, content monetization. Platforms like YouTube, blogging, and newsletter allow you to build audience and monetize through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. Pick one based on your strength, but my opinion is start with content creation. When you build credibility by providing free value, you will easily sell your service or product to the people. This exactly so many people are doing right now. Money follows value. If you want to make money, you need to solve a problem for people. Look at what frustrates your target audience. For example, if you choose digital product, ask what problem can my knowledge solve? Can I create a simple guide or a tool that helps people? If you choose a service, ask what skill do I have that businesses or individuals need? Can I help people save time or increase their income? The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you will make. In today's world, so many people are jumping into content creation. But there are some people who want to start but they can't because the lack of social skills. Probably you are the one of them. So if you can solve this problem, then it's going to game changer for you. Most people spend months perfecting their product before launching. Don't do that. Instead, create a minimum viable offer, a simple version of your product or service that you can test in the market. If you are selling a digital product, launch a free guide first, then expand based on feedback. If you are offering a service, start with a few clients at lower price to get testimonials. If you are doing content creation, start publishing valuable posts. Your first version doesn't need to be perfect. A business is not just about having a product. You need a system that gets people to buy. The key, traffic plus offer equal to sales. So number one, drive traffic. Use social media to get attention. Share valuable content that attract potential buyers. Number two, build trust. Engage with your audience. Show proof of results and answer questions. The more trust you build, the easier it is to sell. Number three, make irresistible offer. Clearly explain why your product or service is valuable and how it solves their problems. Make it easy to buy with a clear call to action. Once you have a working business, don't stay stuck doing everything manually. Use automation to scale. For digital product, set up automated email marketing and sales funnel. For services, hire a team and create a system that reduces your workload. This is how you move from hustling to building a real business that grows even when you sleep. Most people overcomplicate starting an online business. They think they need perfect website, fancy tools, or a huge audience. You don't. What you need is to start simple. Pick a business model, solve a problem, create an offer, and promote it consistently. The faster you take action, the faster you will see the results. If you are still wondering how to start a business without any investment, check out this video.